Welcome back to Writer Gadgets and Workflow. Today, I'm so excited. New tool on the block today. So, today I'm going to be unboxing the Supernote, a digital paper tool, a new digital paper tool. So, listen, I'll be honest with you guys. I've intentionally avoided looking at videos or getting a whole lot of preview about what this tool is and what it can do, because you guys know how I approach the tools is how do you use it in the writer workflow. So I want to see what what features it has, and I will look at those features through the lens of a writer and what we need and what works best for us. With that said, I'm gonna dig straight in to the unboxing so we can see what this tool looks like. And in the subsequent videos, then I will start take a look at the product itself. I'm going to use it all week so that next weekend I can do my first review of the product from the writer's view. And then after that, I will start doing some comparison videos. How does it, stack up with the Mobiscribe, with the Remarkable, all of that good stuff. All right. So all of that good stuff is coming up. But first thing I got to do is get this thing out of the box. So stay tuned. That's coming right up. Now it says beginner's tasks. We got through all the sign in, the registering, and all that kind of stuff. Now it says beginner's task, and it says search for main menu. Oh, wow. So to get the main menu, you just push your finger down. And this, interesting. Congratulations, it is unlocked. Side slide bar, originated from traditional note tag. Slide downward to call up the main menu. Slide upward to refresh the screen. Continue. Okay, that's nice. Create note. The create note file. Great. You got your own notebook. Now let's see what convenient tools inside. Title, select pen, select eraser. This is very similar. This is very similar to both. It's got a combination of the Remarkable features and Boox, Boox, Boox features. The Boox has the hand touch on and hand touch off features. I think both of them have the layer feature. Select area and zoom in. I know that is, I think that's on both. Undo, redo, note menu, close. Title. Select the pen. Yeah. So these are pretty standard features. Long press in this area and drag down to bring up the floating. So, oh, okay. Hello. Oh, nice. Drag the floating smart toolbar to the left or right outside of the screen. Oh, nice. Okay. Swipe from the left border to display the floating toolbar again. Okay. Oh, nice. Okay. I like that. Start taking note. Okay. Now let's see how this writes. Yeah. Let me see something here. Okay. Okay. Now. Okay, so you can't do that. No. Definitely no. I don't want to scratch it. Okay, that's interesting. Okay. So, what do I think about the writing experience so far? If I'm being honest, this feels more like a iPad than a Remarkable. In terms of the writing experience, this is a good experience, don't get me wrong. Definitely a good experience. But if I'm being honest, at least in terms of pen, that I like the Scritch of the Remarkable better than I like this. Not that I don't like this tool. I don't even know how to describe this. It's not glass exactly. There is a little bit of Scritch, but it's not the resistance that you feel using this pen on this screen does not make you feel like you're writing pen to paper. Now, does that mean that it's not a useful tool? Absolutely not. I haven't even gotten to the actual uses of the tool. But just in terms of my initial experience, there's definitely a difference between this and the Remarkable in terms of the writing experience, is what I can say for sure right now. Interesting. Okay, so recent. That's what I just wrote. Document. That's note. Files. Interesting. You can export. This setup is very similar to the, this is interesting, but do you see this? There's a document folder and there's a note folder. This is very similar to the Boox, where unlike the Remarkable, we'll see and I will test it out, but this is not giving me the warms and fuzzies, is that with the Remarkable, you can set up one folder to contain documents plus your notes. And this one, it's starting to look like, well, I don't know, we'll see. But look, they have it. Create, oh no, you can't create a note inside the document folder. That is a big plus. Okay. I don't really know how to get out of it. Okay, so that's document inside the document folder. Files, document, okay. Well, I've got some exploring to do. Looks like you can create a new folder, test. You can create a new folder. So you can create a document in a folder. You can create that's it. And you can create a document inside there. So inside the test folder, that's nice. You can see all your documents inside of a folder. Okay. Okay. I'm liking this so far. Okay. Now we can go back to Supernote, I guess, to get to this. Oh, nice. Okay. So that's the export folder, and then you just hit Supernote to go back to the main menu, My Style. I don't know what that means yet. Screenshots. Well, you can take screenshots. Well, that's something that the Remarkable cannot do. Inbox. Imagine you can get mail here. Interesting. Okay. Well, I will be back in the next Now this is similar to the Mobiscribe. It's the calendar. And this is similar to a Mobiscribe feature, which the Remarkable does not have. So this will be very interesting. Okay, well that's all I have. So that's going to do it for today. All right, that's going to do it for us today. I'm really excited to dig into this tool this week and see how it works and start learning about the features and everything. As you can see inside the box, it comes with, of course, the Supernote tool. It comes with the pen and it comes with the cover, and it actually comes with an extra pen cap, which I don't know. I guess people lose pen caps. So you want to make sure you have an extra. Okay, I can live with that. So I can tell you, like, what I'm seeing right now so far is that this tool actually has a combination of Remarkable features, Mobiscribe features, and Booxnote features. So it's really interesting to see. It's almost like they took the best of all the worlds and they put the features in the Supernote. The only thing they didn't get so far that I know is the scritch. That is very distinct to the Remarkable, and it is not in this tool. But with that said, it is certainly not an unpleasant writing experience, and I'm excited to see what it can do and how it stacks up against the other tools that I have. So stay tuned. More videos on that to come. If you like this channel and you like the content, please like and subscribe. Leave comments below if you want to see a particular comparison, or if you have questions if you have questions and I have the tool, I am more than happy to do a video focused on answering your questions. And Apart from that, I will see you guys next time with more Supernote. Thanks for watching.